Sometimes the best part about fishing isn't even actually catching fish. It's just getting outside into the wilderness, listening to the water crash over the rocks, and seeing these views. I mean, you can see through the tree up there. There's snow on the mountain. But I mean, just look at this. Way down there. All the river that we've already fished coming up. And then just look at these canyons. Nothing will get your mind off the hustle and bustle of everyday life than just getting outside doing stuff like this.